Good morning, students. The Great Indian Desert. In this chapter, so far we learned what and all we studied, where location of the desert region and how the desert region is there, and which seasonal river is flowing through the Great Indian Desert. What do you mean by oasis? That is where the underground water comes to the surface, and these areas are called oases, and people live to the next to near to the oasis. And the climate and vegetation in this desert are very hot during the summer. During the night it will be pleasant. In the winter it will be days are pleasant, but the nights are very cold, is it? And we even saw about the sand dunes, how the sand dunes are is formed. The loose sand is blown away by strong winds to form hills. These hills are called as sand dunes. And even we saw in the last class life in Great Indian Desert, how the lifestyle of the peoples are going to be differ from different region in this place. About the clothes, like traditional clothes of people is dhoti and kurta, turban for men, and gagra, choli, and odini for women. And the languages they speak is Marwari, Rajasthani, Hindi. And we even saw the festivals like Tej, Gongar, and Desert Festival is famous. And dancers, houses, and their main occupation is cattle rearing. And they grow maize, bajra, groundnut, jowar. And the people of certain community in this region are nomads. All these we saw in this chapter so far. So in today's class we will be knowing about the important places and the camel, the ship of the desert. So children, like how in Karnataka, Bijapur, Mysore, Kodagu is been famous for certain features, natural beauty, or certain places, museum. In if you to consider the Mysore Palace or the Mysore Zoo or Kodagu for its natural beauty. In the same way, in the desert region, there are all certain cities, famous cities, important towns, which are located near to the desert region. So, which are they? Like Bikaner, 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 Jaipur, 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 and Jodhpur, Jaisalmer, and Udaipur. These are the important cities which are famous near the desert region. So, Bikaner. Bikaner is a city in the northern Indian state of Rajasthan. It is located in the northern part of in Rajasthan state, Indian state. And what is known for? It is famous for forts, palaces, and like Junagarh Fort, Lalgarh Fort. And here there is a famous temple called Karni Mata Temple. Is a home for many rats. In this temple you could see the rats, many rats, and it is a temple where the people is going to be worship the goddess as Durga. Durga is the goddess which is worshipped here in Karni Mata temple, and it is also known for the international camel festival is organized. So in this region, that is Bikaner in city, which is located in the Indian state of Rajasthan, here in once in a year they will go to be conduct a international camel festival. What do they do in this international camel festival, children? They will be conducting the camel fashion show and camel dance, camel race, so and certain other competition which are related to the animal and camel is being conducted over here during this international camel festival. Then Bandasar Jain temple is being found here. It is known for its beautiful leaf paintings. On the temples you could see the leaf paintings and the mirror work. So it is famous in this Bikaner city, and which is built in the 15th century it was constructed. So this is highlight of Bikaner city. So children, next city, which would be the next city? That is Jaipur. Jaipur. The word Jaipur, if we come when we come to our mind, we'll think about the gems, jewelry, art and craft work, handcrafts, ಕರಕುಶಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೇ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಜೈಪುರ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಜೆಮ್. is the capital of Rajasthan state. Which state? Rajasthan state. And it is called by a name called pink city, like how Bangalore is called the garbage city, or the known for its nature or the environment, cool climate for all the season. In the same way, different cities will be named by the certain names like this. In the same way, Jaipur is main known for the um, pink city. They call it as a pink city because of the building color, the structure or the building which is being constructed, which is built over this. In this city we could see many of the buildings are covered with the pink color, so it is called a pink city. So we could see the Jai Mahal, Birla Mandir, Albert Hall, and the museum, Awa Mahal, and Jantar Mantar. These are the famous buildings which we could see the in Jaipur city. And as I said, it is famous for gems, kundan, jewelry, blue pottery, Zardozi work. The Zardozi work is related to the clothes. On the clothes which we do the embroidery related art work. And it is famous for the jewelry as well, the bangles, necklaces, earrings, whatever the related to the ornaments. So coming to the Hawa Mahal is, if you could see in the pic which I will be showing in the next class, so it looks like a honey bee, shape of the honey bees shape. And this was built for the queens. Then they used to follow the parda system, and whatever the famous activities that the function is going to be held in the street, they could never come out see and like a public. So in order to see whatever is being conducted on the street during the festivals or some occasions, the queens of these palaces, who lived in this palace, used to see from the inside of the Hawa Mahal. From the Hawa Mahal itself, they have to see whatever is going to be happen on the streets, many occasions or the cultural festivals, whatever. So this Hawa Mahal has been famous for this reason. So children, moving on to the further one more city, that is Jodhpur. Jodhpur is also part of the Thar Desert. So it's a city which is located in the Thar Desert of the northwest Indian state of Rajasthan. Where it is located? It is located in the northwest Indian state of Rajasthan, and it is famous for which fort? Meherrangarh Fort. Meherrangarh Fort, and it is called Blue City. What do we call Blue City? It is famous for Blue City. Why they call it as Blue City? Because the buildings are covered by with the blue color.